The last time I restored headlights, I told you not to skip any of the sandpaper grits because it's the safest method. But today, I'm breaking my own rule. Can we actually skip half the grits and still get the same results? Let's find out. All right, so first things first, to have a point of reference, I'm gonna add a strip of tape down the middle of the headlight and proceed to mask around my bumper to protect my paint from my sanding pad. Once we've done that, we're gonna proceed to the next step. Left side of the headlight will get my standard sanding sequence. On the right side, we'll skip grits in between. Let's get to work. Alright, I was curious to see the sanding pattern or any swirl marks left behind, but honestly right now they kind of look about the same. So I guess we won't know until we actually apply our polymer. Okay, so I'm really excited about this part of the video here. We're pretty much heating up the polymer, so we'll hit it with polymer in just a second. Oh wow, that's actually not bad. Okay, I think I have a winner here. All right, final thoughts here. I do think this side looks slightly better than this side. And the reason being is I can see some swirl marks on this side of the headlight. This side is actually pretty smooth. And as far as clarity goes, I do think that this side still takes it by a hair. So overall, I'd pick this as the winner. If this is my car, then I would actually go with this finish instead. Yes, it does take a little bit more time to sand through all the grits, but it looks a little better. So if that's worth it to you, then go the extra mile, spend the extra little bit of time, and sand through all the grits. So those are my 2 cents there. I was curious to see what kind of results we were gonna get with this experiment. So I'm happy with the results. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and was helpful to you guys. And as usual, this is Jared signing off. I'll catch you guys in the next video. Peace out. Oh, and by the way, I'll leave links down below to all the products that I used here in this video. So, all right, peace out.